I have the lift positioned on the right side of the motorcycle, and I've got the cruiser dolly located on the left side of the motorcycle. We're going to slide the jack underneath, try to find that good center of balance. You just start raising the jack up, and it should allow the motorcycle to lean over onto the lift. Did that, no hands on the motorcycle, just to prove a point. And now that the bike is upright on the jack, you can see it's plenty stable. Hi guys, and as you can see, the motorcycle is up at the highest point I can get it, and it is very stable on the lift. Very happy with that. Now we're just going to roll the dolly in underneath. So I'm positioning it where I've got about 2 inches of dolly still sticking out past the frame on this side. Now once the weight is off of the lift, you can just slide it right back out. The motorcycle is fully 100% supported by the dolly. It has a wider stance than the lift jack did, so it's going to be even more stable. This thing, it's not going anywhere.